In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to split stereo audio into separate mono tracks in Premiere Pro. If you've ever recorded with a lavalier on one channel and a camera mic on the other, or you just need independent control over the left and right channels, this workflow will give you clean, separate tracks without altering your original file. We'll interpret the clip's audio correctly in the project panel, then bring it back into the timeline so each channel becomes its own track. Start by importing your clip into the project panel. If it's already there, you're set. We're going to make the change at the project level, not on the timeline, because this tells Premiere how to treat the audio every time you use this clip. Next, in the project panel, right-click your clip and choose Modify, then Audio Channels. This opens a dialog that controls how Premiere interprets the file's channels. Think of it as telling the software whether the audio should behave as a linked stereo pair or as individual mono sources. In the dialog box, you'll see channel format options like stereo and mono. Stereo keeps left and right tied together as a pair, which is great for music and soundscapes where the relationship between channels matters. Mono, on the other hand, treats each channel as its own discrete track, perfect for dialogue recorded on separate mics or when one side is noisy and you want to isolate the clean channel. Change the setting to mono. This doesn't duplicate your audio, it simply separates the existing left and right channels so each one can live on its own track in the timeline. It's a non-destructive interpretation inside the project, so your source media remains untouched. Click OK to confirm. At this point, the interpretation is updated, but any copies of the clip that were already in your timeline won't reflect the change. That's expected. Now drag the clip from the project panel back onto the timeline. You'll see that each channel appears as its own audio track, giving you independent control. This is especially helpful for balancing levels between speakers, silencing unwanted noise on one channel, or applying different processing to each side. Because these are now mono tracks, they'll play centered by default, which is ideal for dialogue. That's it. By interpreting the clip as mono in the project panel and re-adding it to the timeline, you get clean, separate tracks with full control while keeping your original files safe. Thanks for watching and happy editing.